Yeah, that's good. Alright, this one is about subnets, which was pretty cool. Wasn't that complicated. A lot more simple than I thought, especially after you, well, that's what this video for. Don't worry about that. What are the 7 elements of subnets and what do they mean? The 7 elements is network, IP, that's the first IP on the subnet. Broadcast, that's the last IP on the subnet. First host, self-explanatory. Last host, the last IP address on the broadcast. IP address, which is the IP address of the subnetwork. CIDR/subnet identifies the size of the subnet covering between the CIDR subnet and mask. And then final is the next network, which is self-explanatory next to the IP. So now we're going on to the next question. How to use and how to create a subnet cheat sheet. Drawing a 1 first and then double it until you reach 120. Right to left. Subtract 25 from each number. From 32, list CDR notation. First row, group size. Second row, subnet mask. Third row, CIDR. And how do you use it is you will have the port numbers like 255, 255, and then the last number should be like slash, we want to say 24. I'm going to use the cheat sheet. 26. And then you're going to go all the way up to group size, and then that'll be 64. So then it'll be 255.255.255. 64. That's how you use it. Provide 2 examples of demonstrating how you use a subnet cheat sheet. I wrote down 2 examples. One IP example is that I have one IP and I own multiple companies in my business. I own multiple departments and I have to assign 4 different IPs. And I have to assign 4 different IPs to 4 different departments. Four different departments in my business. That's one reason why I would have to, an example in real life where I would have to use subnets. Or if I was using a IPv6, which we already know what that is. Let me read it. Block need to crack. Okay, yeah. And then let's just say it was IPv6. It would do the same thing, but instead of 4, let's say it was like 10, 20, or 30. Then I had to break it down from the one IP. Another reason to need subnets. So there you go. All about subnets.